Hare Krishna. Let the whole world become blessed with happiness, peace and prosperity. My name is Bhakti Charu Swami. I am from the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, which is also known as ISKCON. Today, I came here with a message in order to deal with the terrible situation that the world is in today. Practically within a month, the entire world is in the grip of this pandemic. So many people became affected and so many of them are dying. Everyone's heart is aching with pain, seeing the suffering condition of their near and dear ones. The leaders of different countries are trying their best to deal with this situation. The other day I saw a posting of the Prime Minister of Italy with tears in his eyes praying to the Lord. The whole world is trying to find the remedy for this disease. And at a time like this, if you get a cure for such a disease, won't you naturally want to share it with others? Exactly with that same attitude, I want to share something with you. Our organization ISKCON has more than 1 million members all over the world, and we have more than 600 temples and centers. Our statistic shows the number of our members affected by this virus. USA, 4 affected, but all of them recovered. Italy, none. Spain, none. Switzerland, 3, all recovered. Germany, 2, all recovered. UK, 97 got affected, 5 passed away, 1 is still in hospital, and the rest recovered. India, 1 recovered. Sweden, none. Denmark, none. Australia, none. New Zealand, none. Singapore, none. Malaysia, none. South Africa, 1 affected and recovered. South America, none. What is the reason? And that is what I want to share with you with all sincerity. It is due to our prayers to the Lord. You may have seen us chanting and dancing. What we chant, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, is actually a prayer to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is a prayer in Sanskrit. It says, O all merciful Supreme Personality of Godhead, please deliver me from this suffering condition and kindly allow me to love you and be with you and try to express my love by singing your glory and praying to you. Our life centers around this prayer. Whatever we do is an expression of our dedication to the Lord through this prayer. We are confident without a shadow of doubt that this prayer to the Lord is protecting us, saving us. Therefore, I want to request you all with all sincerity to pray to Him. It doesn't matter what your religious faith is, in which language you pray to Him. He is in your heart, and also He is everywhere. He is omnipresent, and He will listen to your prayer and respond. He is the Supreme. The Supreme means that no one is equal to Him and no one is superior to Him. Therefore, He is one without a second. Every religion is actually showing us the way, who He is and how to approach Him. Therefore, let us not create any difference or discrimination due to our religious faith. We all are worshipping the same personality, who is the Supreme Creator, who is the Supreme Maintainer, and He is our Supreme Well-Wisher and the Supreme Father and the dearmost friend. Therefore, whatever your religious faith is, please pray to Him. And I can say with all earnestness that you yourself will see what is the benefit of this prayer and how He responds. We have experienced it. Therefore, with such confidence, we can approach you and with all sincerity request you to pray at this very, very critical time when the whole world actually has come to a standstill due to this terrible virus that is trying to affect the entire humanity. Thank you very much.